Hi, this is Adam from Times, your AI accounting assistant. Today, we'll be looking at how you can manage your team on Adam by inviting team members and controlling their access to your business account. As your business grows, you may need to give accountants, finance managers, or other team members access to your Adam account without sharing login details. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate to the team management section in Adam, view existing team members and their access details, invite new team members to your business, assign roles and manage invitations. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your Adam account, navigate to your profile icon at the top of the screen. Click on it, then select Team Management. This takes you to the Team Management page, where you can manage everyone who has access to your business on Adam. On this page, you'll see a list of all existing team members associated with your business. For each team member, you can view their name or email address, assigned role, and their status. This gives you a clear overview of who has access to your account. To add a new team member, click on the Invite Team Member button. A modal will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. To invite multiple team members at once, you can enter multiple email addresses by pressing Enter, Tab, or Comma after each email. Next, select a role for the team member. Adam provides several roles, each with different access levels and permissions. Scroll through the list and select the role that best fits what this team member needs to do. Once you've selected the role, click Send Invite. Once the invite is sent, you'll see a confirmation that the invitation was sent successfully. You can track the status of the invitation directly from the team management table. If the team member didn't receive the email, click on the action icon to resend the invitation. You can also cancel the invitation if you've changed your mind. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage your team on Adam, invite members, assign roles, and control access to your business account. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.